Hello, everyone. Hello, it's Professor Tati, your podcast technology professor. And what we are doing today is we're adding a new page to the Keep Manifesting Shopify store because we want people to understand everyone does not have insurance, so everybody cannot get therapy, but you can come over here and get some life coaching lessons with Coach Tot. So, because I'm the podcast technology professor, I need to show you how you can add a page to your Shopify website and you will leverage ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT. So we're already logged in here. And what we see from being logged in. Okay, I got it. We went in to the online store. Like when you log in and you click your online store, you'll see pages. Click on pages right there. And then you want to come up here and say add a page. When you go to add a page, this is what you'll see. You can type in stuff or add a video or image and all of that. But what we're going to do is leverage ChatGPT. So we're going to use this because we're going to be inserting an HTML code that ChatGPT created for us. So over here, you will see what I have already went in and said, create a life coaching page for Shopify. This will be a life coaching session for $25 with Coach Tot. It is to help you identify what is holding you back from excelling in life and creating an action for you to hold you accountable for your choices, because in the end, you are the problem. This should be geared to attract the target audience for Keep Manifesting LLC. We have already programmed our ChatGPT, so ChatGPT knows exactly what to do. So this is what we have. It said, absolutely, Coach Todd. Creating a compelling life coaching page on Shopify is a fantastic idea. It's a great line to attract your target audience from Keep Manifesting LLC. So it's telling me your page title, Unlock Your Potential with Coach Todd. Keep Manifesting Life Coaching Lesson. So I'm just going to copy that right here. And I'm not going to copy that right here because you know what? We asked ChatGPT, hey, write the HTML code to create the page, including all metadata. Chat said, certainly, Coach Tot. Below is the basic HTML template for your Keep Manifesting Life coaching page. Please customize it further according to your branding and design preference. I click here to copy the code. Chat even told me, remember to replace the placeholder link, styles, and content with your actual information. If you have a custom style sheet, link it in the head section. Feel free to enhance the design and layout based on your branding preferences. Keep manifesting success, Coach Tot. Even ChatGPT has been trained to understand to pour in to Coach Tot when she comes over here. Okay? So we go back here. We're here, we drop there, and we are going to show the avatar because we want to see what the chat creates for us. Oh, it's a whole freaking page. Look, welcome to Keep Manifesting Life Coaching. Unlock your potential with Coach Tot. Life coaching session details. Experience the one-on-one coaching session with Coach Tot to identify obstacles, create actionable steps, and ensure accountability for your transformative journey. Service one-on-one life coaching session. Duration 30 minutes. The devil is a liar. We're not going to do that for no 60 minutes. So we need to go and change that. Investment $25. I agree. What to expect? Guidance to your needs. Because first, we got to go over here and say no chats. We're not doing 60, but I will give you 30 minutes. 30 minutes for your life coaching session. Okay, so we say, why choose Coach Tot? Hey, Coach Tot believes in addressing the root cause by acknowledging that you are the solution, not the problem. He, and I'm not a he, I'm a she. Okay, we're going to get chat together on that. She empowers you. So I'm just going to put an S right there. Empowers you to take control of your life. Approach. Okay, chat, you going to stop calling me a man, bitch. Our approach blends wisdom, accountability, and a touch of tech-savvy insights to keep you on the path of manifesting success. So let's see, did it change this to she and her in our HTML? Let's see. Look, it did. Okay, so now we can go back. Let's read further. Testimonial. Join the ranks of those who have experienced life-changing moments with Coach Tots. Read success stories and testimonials from individuals who transform their lives through Keep Manifesting Life Coaching. I actually spell life coaching with a Y because why? Because it's your life, not mine. Okay, it's not I, it's you. Life. Okay. Book your session. Ready to break free from limitations? Book your life-changing session with Coach Tot today. Your journey towards a more fulfilling life starts here. Keep manifesting. Book your session now. And look, there's no SEO here. Where's my SEO, chat? So now I need to go into chat and say, hey, I need SEO. Let's move that. I need SEO metadata to add to the page. So look here. Right here in real time, you see ChatGPT working and doing the corrections. Also, please note, Coach Tot is a female. Her pronoun is we. So chat is going ahead and said, absolutely, Coach Todd. I've updated the metadata to reflect the appropriate pronouns. Here's the revised HTML. So it's giving me some revised HTML. So I'm going to go in here to this HTML, Control Alt, delete. That's easily. Nothing should be here. Absolutely nothing. Why is something here? Okay, it's gone. So we go back over here. Chat is finished. Copy code and paste. And let's see what we have. Uh-oh. The HTML is not showing there. It's not showing there either. So we're going to delete. Hey, what happened to her? Okay, Control delete. So copy code. Okay, something is going wrong here. I'm going to discard our changes. Add the page. Let's go here. And something has went away. Let's see. Let's try another one. Okay, so this is what we have. We have no SEO. So please give me the SEO without HTML. And we're going to scroll down, and this is what it's telling me. The title, the meta description, the keywords, the author, the open graph metadata. So it's telling me all of this stuff that I need to put in here. Is this SEO for Shopify? Okay. And then it's telling me this is what you need to do, Coach Tots, Professor Tots. This is what you need to do to be sure that it does what I need it to do. So now we're going to go here and we're going to copy and jump back over here. And down here, this is my title. And notice that now we have my SEO information popping up. And then it has description, keep manifesting life with Coach Todd. Welcome to Keep Manifesting, Unlocking Your Potential, blah, blah, blah. So now we go here, description. This is the description. So now I want to copy this. And I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to paste. Okay. And then if I want an image, if I want a URL, if I want a website, if I want to look at, it's giving me all of this information. It's telling me this is my Shopify. And it's done. So this should be what we see now. See, keep manifesting life coaching. Okay. And I'm going to add $25 life coaching. I'm just going to put $25. Now it says $25 keep manifesting life coaching session with Coach Tots. I like that. So we come up here and we notice, oh, we don't necessarily have. I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut it from here and I'm going to actually put it right there. And then I'm going to delete this. And now this says that. But now we need to add some brand coloring. But do we really need to add brand coloring? Like, do we? Do we really? No, because we want to be sure that this is in pure black and white for you to understand. You need to unlock your potential. So I want to put this in some bold letters, but I want to give it some color. So for this color, we are going to do one of our brand colors. And I like that. And now I'm going to actually underline and italicize it. I like that. And guess what? You're going to do this with Coach Tot. So we're going to add Coach Tot on here. And we're going to bold and underline. I'm sorry, italicize. Let's see. Okay. This is not the right color. So we're going to go and change the color. No. Yes. Okay, I like that. I like that. And again, we're not doing no 60 minutes, no 30 minutes is enough time for you to figure out the solution to the problem that we shall identify in those 30 minutes. I cannot identify everything, but we can identify at least one thing for you to start making a change. So now we want this to be visible. The pages are these. So now we're going to save. And we need this to be default page or contact page. Let's make this the contact. Let's make this the contact. And we're going to click save. Now we need to go look at our online store to be sure it's showing. So, okay, let's go in and view the store. And I know the contact is way down here at the bottom. Oh, I don't see it. I actually want that to start showing at the top. So I'm going to go back here and I need to click on customize. And then I need to look and see where are my pages. Yeah, it's not in here. Sections. Let's see. Let's do another video to show you all that part. So we'll go ahead and end this video, but I did show you how to leverage ChatGPT to create a page for you on your website. And as you see, this website that we have here was created with the assistance of ChatGPT. This is all we have right now. Not a whole lot, just a very little bit. But we're still building it out. We have podcast technology tutorial. These classes will be coming soon. We have about Professor Tots, in case you want to know who she is. She and Coach Tots are one of the same. And a special offer for podcasters. Look, elevate your podcast with exclusive offer. But now we're going to go in and we're going to change this to be sure that this page that we have right here is visibly showing on the website. But we will do that in another tutorial. Thank you for joining. Be sure to subscribe. And as always, share the shit that we are trying to help others understand. Have a blessed day, everyone. Goodbye.